In this video, we'll give you the 10 best tips for generating passive income online. Tip number 1. Start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it with ads or sponsorships. Tip number 2. Sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. Tip number 3. Create a membership site and charge a monthly fee for exclusive content. Tip number 4. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency for long-term passive income. Tip number 5. Rent out a room or property on Airbnb. Tip number 6. Participate in affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning a commission. Tip number 7. Develop and sell software or mobile apps. Tip number 8. Create an online shop and sell physical products with dropshipping. Tip number 9. Offer consulting services or coaching sessions. Tip number 10. Use your skills to freelance and work remotely from anywhere in the world. Now that you have these tips, it's time to start generating some passive income online.